Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on a Crunchyroll account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead and open up your Crunchyroll app that you have downloaded and simply open it up. Once you have opened your app, this is how the interface is going to look like. You can see explore, free trial, or login, or create account. Tap on or create account at the bottom. Now you will have to add your email and the password. Create yourself a password. So go ahead and add an email you want to create your account with. Then go ahead and add in your password. Once you added the password, tap on this create account option. And there you go, your account has been created. It will simply ask you to get a subscription for the better experience. Go ahead, choose the one if you want to take, otherwise tap on skip for now. And here you go, it's ready to be used. You can go ahead, use it however you would prefer. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.